Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, this is Cooking with Shani, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do give me your subscription, and to all my returning subscribers, welcome. Today I'm doing a very simple recipe, simple but complex in its own way, because making good, warm, soft sausages is not just easy. So I'm going to show you how I do it my way, in that they remain moist and not very dry. So with me, I have some little oil, some little water, and of course my sausages. One mistake we do is deep frying our sausages, and they become so hard and very tough to eat, tougher than the toughest meat. So without further ado, let's get down to our business. So to begin with, friends, I am going to start by heating some water in my cooking pot. Then I will add my colander dish on top. If you don't have this dish, I don't know what you'll use. You can use a sufuria with holes or something. You can improvise. And then I'll add my sausages and cover this to boil for a bit of time, like 10 minutes. So the steam will be cooking my sausages, or if you have a steamer, you can use it. Ensure you are steaming your sausages for about 10 minutes. This enables them to cook on the inside, so that we can just shallow fry and have a brown top. And 5 minutes into my steaming, that's how my sausages look. And I mean, have you ever gone to a hotel or a restaurant and you ate very good sausages, then you came and tried this in your house and you're like, yo, where did I make the mistake? So this is how we are doing it if you want the good sausages like the ones you have in the restaurant. So after 10 minutes, this is what I'm having, and I'm just going to turn off my heat, and I'm going to show you how my sausages look like. And I'll actually let them just drip a bit, because there's a bit of the water because of the condensing steam. Yeah, then we'll get to the shallow frying on a pan. And today my voice is something else. You just have to bear with me. I've been a bit under the weather for some time, but I am recovering well. And I've been rejecting the finance bill as well. Then today I remembered my channel. So back to business and on to frying my sausages. So I'm going to apply a little film of oil onto my pan, and after this I'm just going to add my sausages here and toss and turn them over medium heat until all the sides are browned. And after everything is nicely done, I'm going to take this off the heat and let it drain off excess oil. After a few minutes, friends, this is what I have. Definitely looking so edible, so nice, so moist and so soft. I think I'm going to invite my baby brother for breakfast. He lives a couple of houses away from where I stay, and we are definitely going to enjoy this. For those who like asking me, who do you eat this food with? Okay, I really hope you have had a good time with me and you have learned something new. Please ensure you are trying this at home. And yes, thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye bye. Enjoy your weekend.